Today we're coming to you from where we keep our unprocessed collections at the Indiana Historical Society. The best and worst thing about archives is that there's always a backlog. And today I wanted to show you something cool I found in our backlog, which is the McLaughlin papers. And we have his application for the John Herron Art Institute in Indianapolis here in our backlog.
H. Roll McLaughlin was an architect and leader in early American historic preservation efforts, both nationally and in Indiana. He played a major role in the creation of the Historic Landmarks Foundation of Indiana, now known as Indiana Landmarks, and worked to preserve a number of iconic buildings across Indianapolis, like the Benjamin Harrison Home, City Market, the Gothic Chapel at Crown Hill Cemetery, and the Oldfields Lily House and Gardens. Before McLaughlin was a nationally recognized preservationist, he had to learn the basics of drawing and architecture. Lucky for us, the Indiana Historical Society is home to a collection of unprocessed drawings from some of McLaughlin's high school classes that was used for his application portfolio for the Herron School of Art in Indianapolis. McLaughlin attended Shortridge High School, Indiana's first free public high school, from 1937 to 1941. His portfolio includes a number of drawings, photographs, and architectural diagrams, likely from his mechanical drawing courses. Mechanical or technical drawing is a visual way to communicate how something functions and is constructed. McLaughlin would have been taught the basics of architectural symbols to represent different building materials and how to use tools to create accurate shapes and designs. At Shortridge, McLaughlin must have known early on that he wanted to study art and design because he was a member and eventually president of the Technology Club that provided professional development and prep for students interested in pursuing an engineering career. McLaughlin was also a member and president of the Cartoon Club. The 1941 Shortridge Annual Yearbook described the club as a place where members, quote, draw witty and clever posters for the school and work on contests in and out of school. They added a little humor to the most serious side of the club, class and schoolwork. These skills were vital in his career as an architect at James Associates and his later work in preservation. Today, the archives at Indiana University, Indianapolis houses thousands of McLaughlin's photographs of historic properties and architectural drawings, which continue to help preserve the history of Indiana's buildings to this day. What do you notice when you look at a building? How do they help tell our stories, and what can we do to preserve them for the future? Thanks for exploring the unprocessed stacks with us, and we hope you join us for what we unbox next.